3 months ago, I had 0 TikTok followers, 0 videos, 0 income from the platform. I had always assumed TikTok was for teenagers doing dance trends, not for someone trying to build a serious online income. Then I decided to test something. Could I build a TikTok channel using only AI tools and actually make money from it without ever showing my face or recording my own voice? The answer surprised me completely. And today, I am sharing exactly what I did, what worked, what failed, and the precise system I used to start generating real income from TikTok in under 90 days. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI income strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. TikTok has over 1 billion active users in 2026. The platform pays creators directly through its Creator Fund and TikTok Shop program. Brands pay for sponsored content. Affiliate commissions flow from every product link in your bio and videos. Most people still think TikTok requires dancing, lip syncing, or showing your face on camera. That is completely outdated. Faceless educational and informational channels are among the fastest growing content categories on the platform right now. AI tools make running a faceless TikTok channel genuinely possible for any beginner. Claude writes the scripts. ElevenLabs generates the voiceover. Canva or CapCut handles the visuals. The entire production process takes under 30 minutes per video. The income potential is real. Creators in the AI, finance, and business education niches are earning between $1,000 and $20,000 per month from TikTok alone. The combination of Creator Fund payments, affiliate commissions, and brand deals creates multiple income streams from a single piece of content. My first decision was choosing the right niche. I knew from experience that the niche determines everything: the audience size, the income potential, and how quickly growth happens. I opened Claude and asked it to identify the top-performing faceless TikTok niches. I asked specifically for niches with high engagement rates, strong affiliate marketing potential, and growing rather than declining audience interest. Claude gave me a detailed breakdown. The strongest options were AI tools and technology, personal finance and investing, productivity and self-improvement, online business and side hustles, and health and wellness tips. I chose AI tools and side hustles. It aligned perfectly with my existing knowledge, had enormous and growing search demand, and offered some of the highest-paying affiliate programs available anywhere online. The lesson here is simple. Pick a niche you understand, and that has proven monetization potential. Do not chase trends you know nothing about. Authenticity in your niche comes through even in faceless content. Once I had my niche, I built a daily content production system using 3 free or low-cost tools. Claude for scripting, ElevenLabs for voiceover, CapCut for video editing. Every morning I opened Claude and asked it for 5 high-engagement TikTok video ideas in the AI tools and side hustle niche. I asked it to focus on topics that answered a specific question, revealed a surprising fact, or showed a quick, actionable tip. These formats consistently perform best on TikTok because they deliver immediate value in a short time. I picked the strongest idea from Claude's list and gave it a detailed scripting prompt. I asked Claude to write a 60 to 90-second TikTok script with a hook in the first 3 seconds that stops the scroll, a clear and specific value delivery in the middle, and a strong call to action at the end. I specified that every sentence should be short and punchy, no long academic paragraphs. Claude produced the complete script in under 30 seconds. I read through it, made small adjustments to match my channel's voice, and copied it to ElevenLabs. In ElevenLabs, I selected a natural-sounding voice, generated the audio, and downloaded the MP3 file. The whole process took 5 minutes. Then I opened CapCut on my phone. I added the audio file, chose relevant stock footage from CapCut's free library, added automatic captions using CapCut's built-in caption feature, and applied a clean, simple template. Total editing time, 15 minutes per video. I published 1 video every single day, no exceptions. Consistency on TikTok is not optional. It is the single most important factor in triggering the algorithm to push your content to new audiences. I will be honest. The first 2 weeks were humbling. My first 10 videos averaged between 200 and 800 views each. No viral moment. No sudden explosion of followers. Just steady, modest numbers. I almost stopped at day 14. That was the moment most people quit. But I had made a commitment to 90 days regardless of early results, so I kept going. By day 21, something shifted. One video about a free AI tool that replaces a $500 per month software subscription hit 30,000 views in 48 hours. It was the same production quality as every other video. The only difference was the topic. It addressed a specific pain point with a specific solution. That video brought in 400 new followers overnight. And more importantly, it told me something critical about my audience. They responded most powerfully to content that revealed specific money-saving or money-making opportunities rather than general AI information. I immediately adjusted my content calendar. Every video from that point focused on specific tools, specific results, and specific income opportunities. Views per video jumped from an average of 500 to an average of 8,000 within 2 more weeks. By day 60, my channel had 3,400 followers. Not massive by TikTok standards, but generating real income from 3 separate sources. The first source was the TikTok Creator Fund. This pays creators based on views. At my view volume, it was generating between $3 and $8 per day. Small but completely passive. The second and most significant source was affiliate commissions. In every video description and bio link, I included affiliate links to the AI tools I recommended. 11 Labs, InVideo AI, and Canva Pro generated the most conversions. My bio link page, built free on Beacons, showed clearly which tools were driving clicks and which were converting to paid signups. By day 60, affiliate commissions were averaging $40 to $70 per day. Some days hit over $100 when a video performed particularly well and drove a spike in affiliate link clicks. The third source was a digital product. I used Claude to write a simple AI tools starter guide and listed it on Gumroad for $12. I mentioned it in my TikTok bio and in relevant videos. It was selling 2 to 4 copies per day by the end of month 2. Total income at day 90, between $1,500 and $2,200 per month. From a channel that did not exist 90 days earlier. Every morning I spend 45 minutes on my TikTok AI content system. Nothing more, nothing less. First, I open Claude and get 5 fresh video ideas. I pick the strongest one and generate the script. This takes 10 minutes. Then I go to 11 Labs, generate the voiceover audio, and download it. 5 minutes. Then I open CapCut, build the video with stock footage, captions, and my voiceover, and export the finished file. 20 minutes. Then I upload to TikTok with a Claude written caption, relevant hashtags, and my affiliate links in the description. 10 minutes. Total daily time, 45 minutes. 1 video published. Affiliate links live and earning. Digital product link in bio. System running. The income compounds every month as the channel grows and the affiliate link catalog expands. Videos from day 1 are still generating views and affiliate clicks today. Here is exactly how to replicate this system starting today. Choose your niche using Claude's research framework. Pick something with proven demand and strong affiliate potential. Sign up for Claude, 11 Labs, free tier, CapCut, and Beacons. All free. Create your TikTok account with a clear, niche-focused username and bio. Sign up for 3 affiliate programs relevant to your niche. Set up your Beacons bio link page with all your affiliate links organized cleanly. Then commit to 1 video every single day for 90 days. Use Claude for script every time. Use 11 Labs for the voice every time. Use CapCut for the edit every time. 45 minutes. Every morning. No exceptions. The people who succeed with this system are not the most talented. They are the most consistent. 90 days of daily execution will show you results that feel genuinely surprising. Which niche would you start your TikTok AI channel in? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every single comment with specific advice for your niche. If this story gave you the blueprint and the motivation to start, Please give this video a thumbs up. It helps this channel reach more people ready to build income with AI. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. Tomorrow, we are covering a fresh AI income strategy most people in this space have never heard of. See you tomorrow.